toughest Northern Ireland, be Wales, England, Scotland, Republic of Ireland. When we play each other, we don't want to lose to a neighbouring country. Promise you that. I don't want to lose this game. They won't be wanting to come here and just think it's a little warm-up game before the tournament. They'll be a bit feisty, I would imagine, and that's what we want, and that's what Norman Michael they'll want. They want a proper game, and I'm sure that's what it will be. We've got results. We've had to scrap and fight, and yeah, we're going into the game tomorrow with certain players missing, but we've still got a good squad. We've got a capable squad. It's a squad that I expect to perform and carry on in the same vein as they left off the last campaign. And although we lost the friendly against Holland, there was a lot of good signs. So we've got to continue in the same vein, whether we've got our strongest team on the pitch or we haven't. It's all about the challenge. It's all about showing the Welsh people what it means to us and how important it is to play for Wales. No matter who's wearing the jersey, that has to stay the same.